Parents and teachers, this is for you. We all want to help our children master math and enjoy the experience. An easy and effective means to do this is to introduce them to multiplication with the XY chart multiplication table. Follow along and you will learn why. Traditionally, there are two styles of multiplication tables available through educational supply stores and printed in textbooks. You see the first type in this picture, a simple, lifeless but orderly list of facts in equation form. Notice the repetition of the numerals for the multiplier and the multiplicand, the two factors, the time symbol, and the equal sign for each fact. This is a waste of space and viewing time. It also lacks a concrete representation of the product. Boring rote memorization is the only technique for learning the facts from this table. The second style excels over the list of facts. The multiplied numbers appear once in the top row and in the first column. The products are found in the rectangles formed by the intersection of the multiplier's column and the multiplicand's row. I'll show you that in a moment. In this manner, the product is represented in three modes: the number itself expressed by its numerals, the area of the rectangle formed by the length and width, which are the factors, and the upper left-hand corner diagonal to the product, and as the result of repetitive addition. See how the numbers in the product's row represent skip counting of the multiplicand, the second factor. This arrangement, which goes back as far as the 1st century, is based on how we read, left to right, top to bottom. Since the 1620s, when Descartes devised the rectangular coordinate system, this is no longer how we visualize mathematics. It's time to update for the sake of our students. Around 1628, René Descartes invented the coordinate system that you see here, but without products. With this system, geometry and algebra were united in a powerful visual tool. Notice that the mathematical order of the numbers is left to right, bottom to top. Look in any math book from algebra through calculus, and you will see this system used to represent the relations between numbers. It's everywhere. Our children would do well by making it their own through practice. The basic task is to find a point or a location on this grid for each pair of numbers or ordered pairs. Let's break this down. There you have the ordered pair 3, 4. This represents a point in this grid. To find that point, go to the origin. That's this corner here, the lower left-hand corner, label with a 0. And count over 3, the first number. 1, 2, 3. Next, count up to the second number, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop there, make a dot at this point. That's the point represented by 3, 4. You've just plotted a point. So what we see here is the coordinate pair 1, 8. Notice the circle at the origin. You use the arrow keys to control the movement of the circle. So your task is to go over to the first number, start at the origin, so we go over 1. Once you're there, look at the second number, it's 8, count up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stop, press the space bar. There you notice you did it correctly, there's a point at 1, 8. The next point is 6, 2, starting at the origin, count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're at the first coordinate. Now we go up to the second. 1, 2. Press the space bar. Notice that the program connects the two lines, but the student has plotted the points. 9, 7. First coordinate is 9. Count over 9. We're there. Count up to 7. We're there. Press the space bar. There we go. We're going to return to 1, 8. Over 1. Up 8. What happens if we fall short? Press the space bar. Oh, it says move up. Move up. Press the space bar. There, we got it. So we just plotted 3 points, and your children, I think, will find that painless. Now, exciting things happen when the multiplication facts are placed in the graphing system in the proper mathematical order. The steps to find the product are identical to those to find a point. Plotting points becomes plotting products. 2 critical mathematical operations are joined as one, removing unnecessary complexity for the learner as well as offering an easy road to higher math. Descartes would have loved this. So to find the product of 3 times 4, start at origin, count over the first number. Once you're there, count up the second number. There you will see the product pushed up against the dot of 3, 4, 3, 4. You've just plotted a product. The chart is available as a poster, an 8.5 by 11 desktop size, and a postcard. Charts are available online at www.xycharts.com. Thanks for your attention. For more information, leave a comment, visit www.xycharts.com, or follow MathChart on Twitter.